Hi guys, we're going to be putting together this plaque for the Liahona, and it is super easy to do. All we need to do is punch these out. So when you do that, push on the ends where the tabs are, and that will break. Let me get back in the camera here. Push on the ends where the tabs are, right here and right here, because you don't want to just push here and I don't know, it'll just come out easier. You don't have as big of a chance of breaking it if you push on where the tabs are, and you can see where they are. So push it out. There we go. And then you could put it together right now if you want, or what I do is I scrape off the tab. It's not very big, really isn't, but I scrape it off, and then I go over it with a permanent marker so that it doesn't show, so it just looks a little better. Okay, they are all scraped off. This is a brown permanent marker. I use brown or black. They look about the same. There we go. All right, now that that is done, you can put this together two different ways. You can put it together with the decoration on the inside, and it will look like that. But if you're going to be looking at it from the side more than the front, which probably isn't the case, you can put it together that way. So you can have it like that with the decoration on the outside. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy. Hope it looks great in your house. Thank you.